How to set Google as default search engine in Google Chrome on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Chrome browser on your phone. Once you're here, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the three dots. Then, swipe left on the icons and tap on Settings. On this page, tap on Search Engine from the options. Choose the browser that you want to set as the default search engine in Google Chrome. For example, Google. After that, tap on the tick icon at the top right corner. Now, go to the bottom right and tap on the three dots again. Then, go to Settings. As you can see, you have successfully changed your default search engine. Following these steps, you can easily set Google as default search engine in Google Chrome on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.